Yeah.
What's that sound? Ezra.
Yay!
Yay, Ezra. Come and see
Mommy.
Mama. Ezra. And look at my bracelet. You turned it on. Ezra. All right, don't get distracted by your
He's not getting out from under. He's probably getting tired.
Oh.
Now the little one.
Look at Mommy. Concentrate. Quit looking at the gadgets.
Come on. Come and get it. You can go back to Jam.
Where'd you go?
Go see it.
Yeah!
That was good.
Yay!
Good job. It's like, okay, guys, you gotta keep the cheering up.
This way, he's leaning back well.
I know he keeps leaning back
Up
there.
the hill.
Right.
Okay, let's try going in Jam. Ready?
Hey, buddy.
Go see her. Go see her.
What do you have, a green speaker coming in the yard?
Yay! Ezra. Yay! Go see Jim.
Whoa! Yay!
You're not gonna do it for the camera.
Come on. Come on. Ezra. La 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 la
Ezra.
la. Come get it.
Ezra. Wanna come see Grandpa? Wanna come see Grandpa?
Go get him.
It'd be funny if he ran over there.
Yeah,
his dog's over there.
He wants that couple of those pink cut. So that's enough for one day.
Won't be
Cole.
long. That's when your fun begins.
Ezra. Ah! 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 Look what I have. Come on.
Go get it.
Roxy, come here.
Come on. Come on.
Hold it up high so we can't, like, so you have to walk towards it.
Good call.
Here, I'll hold it.
Okay.
Look what I got.
Yeah.
Come here.
Look what I got.
Where you going, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Over there,
I
buddy.
got one too. Go give it to Mommy. Go give it to Mommy.
Yeah.
Here, Mommy.
Good. Go take it to Jam.
Take it to me.
Yeah.
Oh, yay! Okay.
Okay, bring it to me.
Go give it to Mommy.
Ezra,
Give it to Mommy.
bring it to me. Come on, bring it to me.
It's just too hard down here.
What is it?
Uphill.
Oh, you're pretty good.
What is it?
We're working them out all right.
A cup holder.
Go uphill.
Bring it
uphill.
to Jam.
Take it to her. Ezra, look at yours. Bring it to her. No, no, no. Stand up. Ready?
She wants to play with it for a minute.
Okay, take it to her, though. Show her.
Bring it here.
Show it to her. Go show her what you have.
Bring it here. Yeah, he's trying to put it on
It's
here.
like it goes there.
He just stood there for a long time.
Two of them.
Put them both in your hands. And bring them to me.
Here, take this one to Mommy.
He's like, are there people not here?
Is there people down there?
Whoa, whoa. Come on. Yeah. Okay, now take them and show them to Jen.
These ones are
She says you
Jam.
guys are wearing me out.
Hey, what you got? What you got?
I gotta stop by Myers or Walmart.
What?
I gotta get some Roy over here.
What you got?
Medicine. And I'm gonna look at shower heads. Go get it and come back.
You wouldn't think that little incline would be that big of a deal.
Come get it.
But it's like you like, oh.
Here, I'll give
I'll
this
be
one
back. Okay.
to you. And I'll take it. Come here, come here, come here. Walk, walk, walk.
I got it. Okay, I
Okay,
got it.
you gotta walk over
You
and
gotta
get
come
it.
and get it.
Go get it. Go get it.
It's all yours. Cheater. Okay.
You took a few steps there. That's right.
Did you get that few steps on film?
Yep.
Okay. He's got both of them now. Bring them to Jams.
Take him to her.
Let me see what you got. What you got? Ooh, a magic trick.
Yay! The amazing Rando.